Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of ClipZap AI. In order to do so, here we are at ClipZap.ai, and to do a review, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to get access to the top AI models available and find the answers that you're looking for. According to Cider, ClipZap AI is a tool designed to help users quickly generate and edit video clips using AI. It typically aims to simplify clipping highlights from longer videos, creating shareable content efficiently. Its key features include AI-powered video clipping to extract highlights automatically. It has support for multiple video formats, simple editing tools for trimming and enhancing clips, fast processing and user-friendly interface. The pros, it saves time by automating clip creation, and it's suitable for content creators, streamers, and marketers. It's easy to use with no advanced video editing skills needed, and you can enhance engagement by quickly producing snackable content. Cons, it may lack advanced editing features compared to professional editors, and AI clipping accuracy can vary depending on the video content. It could be limited by subscription or usage caps in the free versions. Overall, ClipZap AI is a handy tool for anyone looking to streamline the video clipping process with AI assistance. It works well for quick highlights and social media clips, but it might not replace traditional editing tools for more complex projects. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, click on the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.